all the crackheads.
To bring you real perspectives, we're still looking at the tornado device signature.
Look.
Towards the north of areas along US 13, and we're going to be soon crossing over Route 1 as well. This is starting to kind of occlude a little bit, and it's heading a little bit further towards the north as we're looking at this setting point.
Stop right up. Damn, it's straight over Delaware.
Yeah, but you didn't pay attention over there.
Well, these dumbasses stop trying to fucking ride over here, then I wouldn't.
What's wrong, Mama? You?
Yeah, I'm quiet.
You okay?
So we are looking at towards 13 visual as well. This is crossing areas of US 13.
This shit is flooded.
Go ahead and download this one as well. So currently showing up for me. Bear with me for just a moment. Here we go. And we're looking at tsunamis up too. So definitely one of those areas of Delaware. So we're still looking at, this line of storms that is now fully developed in areas across central Florida.
Not the whole
As you can see, we still have that one tornado warning that's in place, but that circulation is now moved further off of the coast. So I'll switch back over to the velocity product here. Definitely looks like we got a bit of a water spout again off of the coast. As you can see from this radar perspective too, that's the same storm too.
Definitely.
This is what we call cyclic supercells. So, but this one's embedded
Yes, there was a line.
itself. To see this begin to form and drop down in areas of.
This is on the green.
The alarm just went off. Tornado warning. Take shelter. Look how fast those clouds are moving. It's more like this area right here.
the flag.